Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to upload shorts on YouTube from your laptop or PC.
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
Right? When you're trying to upload a short on YouTube, just go to your channel, click on create, or the same you can do via YouTube Studio as well. Click on upload video, and just for example, I will select the shorts file. Right? I'll pick a random file over here. Just add this video. Now YouTube will auto detect this as it is a YouTube short. Now you can edit the title, the description now over here will capture the upload defaults as it is for a video. You can delete it or you can keep it. You can select the playlist which you want to add to, the same way you would do for when you upload via YouTube mobile app, right? You can select all of this. You can put in the keywords, you can add the location and updates, recording date. And since this is an education channel, this has popped up for me, right? So when you do this, you can move on to next. You can add any related video, which is any long form video which is linked to the YouTube video which you're uploading. You can add subtitles if you want. The copyright will be checked, the community guidelines will be checked for, and then the visibility, you can keep it as private, unlisted, or public. Post the checks when they are complete. Now, once you do this, the video and you make it public, the video will be published. However, if you have to update the thumbnail of the shorts, now this will get auto assigned when you upload it from PC or laptop. To update the thumbnail of the shorts, I have already uploaded a video on this, how you can do it. It can only be done via YouTube Studio on your mobile. It cannot be done from laptop or PC. So check the linked video over here. And in the video description, the link is already captured on how you can update the thumbnail of the shorts from your mobile. That's all you have to do to upload a shorts via laptop or PC. Nothing changes as such. You can upload the description as per the convenience, using inputs from ChatGPT or any tool. You can upload the tags as well. I hope this was helpful. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section your queries and we'll get back to you with the solution. If you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to our channel, and follow us for more such inputs for your YouTube journey.